Number 7. Number 6. Number 5. Number 4.
Imagine a world where dreams meet reality, where digital meets physical.
Humans need connection. We spend huge amounts of our day interacting with others around us.
But often, when we look around us, We find the current technology is individual focused. We miss out on real life moments.
Here at H+, we want to change that.
Hollis is a tabletop holographic display that enhances your life and invites connection. It is a central place to sync any type of device and to display its content from all sides. You can play games with family, connect across generations, work together cooperatively, or compete head-to-head. Make education an engaging experience. For something so natural as sharing and displaying, we wanted to make something with as many viewing angles as possible. To get to where we are today, we iterated hundreds of times. We've settled on a design that's beautiful, strong, and safe. It has an eco-friendly monitor, and its tempered glass has a coating that is specially designed to reflect a specific amount of light for optimal display quality. USB and HDMI ports allow devices to connect and display on the Hollis.
From gesture-based controls like leap motion to brain sensors and a 3D printer, we have tested them all with the Hollis and are adding more connection options to make the Hollis more natural and intuitive to interact with.
Number 3.
Do you have the same problem I do? You arrange the furniture in your home just the way you like it, but you can't move the light switches. So now you need to call an electrician. Hey, Kevin.
Hey man, what's up?
I need that light switch changed.
Oh, that one?
That one. I want a light switch right here, so I won't fall off the bed anymore, and I can turn on the light switch right now.
Whoa, how did you do that?
I also have a toddler, and I would like a switch lower so he can reach it. And I can turn on the switch like this. You used to think you need to tear out pieces of the wall and run additional wires, but now this is no longer necessary. You just need to open the package. No setting. Replace the existing light switch with this base switch. Then you can put the gecko switch wherever you want. And it's done. You can place an icon, lets you know what the gecko switch controls here. There are many icons to select from. The LED behind the icon lets you know when the light is on or off. Make the bedroom light gradually brighten to wake you up, or make it to turn off with a time delay. 3, 2, 1. If you can't find the gecko switch, use the search function and it will beep. Oh, here it is. Hey. Do it now. Switch it up with the gecko switch and make your home and life exactly the way you like it.
Hey, did you see my hammer?
No need for a hammer, Kevin. You just need a gecko switch.
Number 2.
This is Eva. Eva is the first smart shower that saves water. To use Eva, all you do is take a normal shower. You turn on your water, and Eva instantly powers up and begins working. Eva uses its internal heat sensor to track the moment the water hits your desired temperature and cuts the water flow. No more wasted water while you're away from your shower. When you're ready to get in, just press the button and the water flow returns at the perfect temperature. Using a unique sensor system, Eva adjusts the water flow based off of what you are doing and where you are in your shower. Eva is smart. It knows when you need water and when you don't. When you are directly underneath the shower head, perhaps rinsing your hair, Eva sets your water flow to 100%, giving you a strong flowing shower right when you need it. When you step away from the shower to apply soap or shampoo, Eva lowers the flow while still keeping you comfortable and warm. Eva also senses when you are furthest away from your shower, doing things like shaving your legs, and reduces the water flow even more. It's simple, and automatic. EVA's universal design is easily installed between your shower and the wall, allowing you to continue to use your favorite shower head. With the EVA mobile app, you are able to set goals for shower lengths, and EVA reminds you when you are getting close or taking too long, giving you even more ways to reduce your water usage. The app even tracks your water usage so that you can compare with others, learn trends, and adjust your habits. EVA, a smarter way to shower.
Number 1.
A new generation of eco-friendly fan has arrived, the Wind Amp. The Wind Amp is able to keep you cool when it's hot outside. Traditional fans are expensive and less efficient. The Wind Amp provides you a cool breeze while saving you money. The Wind Amp uses air amplifying technology to bring a cool natural breeze into your home. The Wind Amp is built to maximize airflow by intaking air from around the fan and forcing the air through a quad motor system to cool the air without the need for fan blades. The Wind Amp's touch interface is conveniently located at the top of the fan for easy access. From the touch interface, you can adjust the airflow level, set a schedule for up to 8 hours, and turn on the fan's automatic rotation. With the included remote, you can enjoy the cool breezes the Wind Amp provides from anywhere in your home. The Wind Amp is able to horizontally rotate up to 70 degrees from its starting position. The remote can be stored on the base of the Wind Amp. Have that natural breeze when you need it the most. Save energy over traditional fans and enjoy your time comfortably.